Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jane, and on this channel we're going to be focused on fashion, lifestyle, and my life as a mom. I'm pretty new to YouTube, so please, if you're new here as well, subscribe and support the channel so I can keep bringing more content like this. On today's video, we're going to be talking about a new Zara haul. I believe everyone has had Zara quarantine shopping syndrome this period. It's crazy. Zara and H&M, they've been killing it this season, and since we've all been home, it's been Zara has our money. Anyway, so I've been doing a lot of shopping on Zara, and I just wanted to show you guys quickly what I've gotten so far. So what I have here, I have some new in and some sale. And hey, so some of the items that have been new in last 2 or 3 months, Zara throws them into the sale page, so keep checking that. You see some items, new items, just keep adding that into that piece. Okay, so I have these Zara haul, 2 boxes and a smaller piece. I have a couple more boxes coming in, so I'm going to do another video for that. So this is going to be an unboxing video, first impressions. I haven't seen this item, like I haven't seen them, like first impressions. So we're going to have that whole feel together, and then I'm going to try them on to see how they fit. So if you're interested, keep watching. What do we have here? Oh, I remember this. So I got this item during the sale, and it's this it's padded shoulder piece. I wanted to try the padded shoulder trend. I was iffy about it again because I already have broad shoulders, and so I didn't want to kind of enhance that look. So I wanted to try it to see how I feel about it before I actually start going to town with it. So I got this piece. This was on sale, and I'm going to try it on to see how it actually fits. I actually got 2 of this at 2 sizes. The extra large, and the extra large, just to see how it fits on my boobs and the rest of my body. So I'm going to try both to see. For someone who's just trying shoulder pad details, I sure have gotten a lot of pieces. This is coming out a bit too big for me. This is how I would have wanted it to fit like, but the boobs fit well. So again, struggle with, oh God. Anyway, I got, this is an extra large. I have a large, so I'm gonna have to try both of them to see which fits me better. The large, I tried it on before and it was really tight here, since that's why I ordered an extra large, and now we have to deal with this. So anyway, so this is what this one looks like. Pretty, yeah, nothing much, just shoulder pad, deep V, and so I got these shorts, and the reason I got these shorts was because I wanted to try them with this blue jeans, even though I think I would have preferred a darker short. So I got 2 sizes for this because with Zara shorts, I'm in between sizes, and because these things tend to sell out like crazy, I just got 2 sizes, and I'm going to return the next one. I really don't have any shorts with this frill detail that's really short. I was looking for something really, really hot, like hot pants kind of vibe. Yeah, so that's what I was looking for, and so I got these I got in a 10 and a 12, and these were $39. So I'm gonna try both and see which of them fits better, right? Okay, and this is the other size. Next one. Okay, so this is a crop top, but with shoulder pad. Again, like I said, I want to try the shoulder pad trend. So I got a lot of sale pieces with the shoulder pad just because I don't want to invest so much money on it. This one I think I got for $12. So shoulder pad crop top long sleeve. It actually looked way more expensive online. This was originally $49. I wouldn't buy this for $49. This is actually a $12 piece, but yeah, I got this in blue and white, so I'm gonna try this one as well. And this is the white of that one. The white actually looks a bit more rich than the blue one. Yeah, they were both originally for $9. So I'm gonna see how I feel about these two. I got this for $12 as well, and I got this in an extra large. This is really tight on my boobs, and these are, I don't know, they fit well. You're going to pair really nicely with a high-waisted trouser. I have like two I'm thinking of pairing this with, and you're going to see that in my future styling videos. Maybe the pink one and a white one. I don't know just yet. Anyway, but this is how this fits. I like it. It's structured. It's a bit tight, and so I think the blue is going to be a better size for me. But yeah, for $12, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. If I got it more expensive, like at the original price, $50, I'll return this because it's not worth $50 to me. But for $12, I can make it work. I don't know why they will sell them the same price because they're completely different fabrics. This one looks really light and cheap. That one looks way better. But this is what they look like. I got both of them for $12. I got this in an, I think I got this one in an extra large, and I got that one in a large. So yeah. Again, for $12, I'm not mad at it. I would never get this for $49 or $50 like it was sold. But for $12, I'm not mad at it at all. Again, pair this with high-waisted trousers or shorts like this, right? So, yeah. This piece I have been eyeing for a very long time. It just looks really luxurious and chic, if you can see it. It's a satin blouse and has this kind of oversized fit. I would want to try this with shorts. So yeah, we're gonna see. So this one was on sale. This was new in. This was $39. So yeah, I just threw this on together and have it done like this with shorts. I could wear it separately, but I am probably going to style it with something else, but I just want you guys to see how it looks. Really feels good, really nice oversized piece. It comes in other colors, and I think I'm going to grab those other colors as well. So yeah, that is this one. This one looks, I love how it looks. Aha! Oh, I actually did get one. Okay, ignore me. Oh, this is big. This is the muscle tee that everyone has. I got it in black and I got it in large, and it's really big. It's humongous. So we're gonna see. Okay, muscle tee. I'm not mad at it. I'm not. Definitely not mad at it. Is it a trend I want to jump on? Not maybe, not really, because like I said, I'm top heavy, and this just puts a lot of concentration on this part of your body, and my goal is to move it from here down here. So I'm not mad at it. I don't think I'm gonna get more pieces. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of it, and that's okay. That's even excessive as it is. So yeah, well, black, simple. This sell out quickly on Zara, so if you find it, grab it. Everybody's onto this, and I feel like this may go out of style really soon, so I don't want to invest any more money on it. But that's it. I just thrown this. Well, I think the goal of this is so you can either tuck it in or tie it at the back. Ooh. Yeah, this is it. Lots of extra fabric. And this is a Zara basic. So remember that the bodysuit that everyone and your mom has. This is the tank top version of it. I really like the fabric, and so I didn't want to get the bodysuit. There's this color for the bodysuit. I didn't want to get that. I have like 4 or 5 of that bodysuit, and as much as I love them, I don't think I'm getting as much wear out of it, just because bodysuits, it's blah. So too much struggle when I want to pee. So I thought, let me try this one, and if this fit, I'd rather get these pieces. The bodysuit would be better for me during winter and fall because they're good layering pieces, and I don't have to bother about fit. But I don't know, I just think I prefer this one's for summer. Yeah, so okay, so remember when we all got the white of the skirt? I did too. And then I saw the black on the website. The white was, I was on the fence about it. I got it still, but I was on the fence about it because it was see-through. So the black came on the website and I'm like, maybe I'm gonna try that. So here it is. It's this, it has this plate on the side. I'm gonna put the picture of the white here so you see everybody on YouTube got the white. I did too. And this is the black. So we're gonna try this one. The black one of the skirt, and I would say I actually love the black more than the white. Yeah, I know. This skirt, it's a bit big for me. Like, there you go. See? So much extra room. Well, I worry about going down a size because I feel like going down a size is going to become too tight. So, but this way, I think this is how everybody wears it. It's more like a, I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one. Again, just like the other piece, I think I might go into the store to see if they have it in store and actually try the medium, kind of see what I think. But yeah, I just tried on with this basic. Now, this basic, I think I prefer these styles to the thingy. Bodysuit. Yeah, oh God. Bodysuit. I prefer this one, so I just tried on. This similar style, they have second layers on here, so if you are small busted, you can get away without a bra, but they fit, same fabric, just less hassle. So I just threw this on with this, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I really like the skirt. I love the sleeve. I love the length. You've all seen the white one. This is just the black version of this. Okay, next one. What is this? Oh, okay. Oh my God. I remember what this is. So this is that white dress. It's really popular. That has a slit on the side. It does have a slit on the side. Yeah, that has a slit on the side, and it's kind of ruched around the tummy area. This is this was $79. This was pretty expensive. I don't know why. It's kind of a stretchy linen material. I'm gonna try it on to see what the fit is like. But yeah, it's I would say more about it when I actually have it on. Not mad at it. I love the slit on the side. I wish it was a bit smaller, just because I like my clothes fitted, right? But well, it was expensive, right? I got to see there's a lot of extra room here. Do I want this? Oh, even though it's ruched, right? I'm not sure. This dress was expensive. It cost $79, $80. So I need to love it to keep it, and I don't love it. I like it. I don't love it. I would try it on again. Maybe I need to see it styled for me to know what I feel about it. First impressions, I love this cut here. I love this. I love it. I love the details on it. I just don't like how it fits me. So I would see if they have a smaller size on the website. I got in an extra large. I would see if they have a large on the website, just to switch it up. But if they don't, I'm on the fence. This is a maybe for me. First impressions for me, I really don't know. And this is an oversized shirt. I think I got this in a medium. Please tell me I got it in a medium. Yes, I got it in a medium. This one was $39. And it has this detail on the back, which is why I like it. I don't like wearing oversized pieces because I'm top heavy. So oversized pieces just make me look bigger. I tend to avoid that. I try to want to get pieces that make me look smaller. That's the goal. So I stay away from oversized shirts. But this one, just because it has this detail on the back, I believe it's going to kind of cinch that way, so it gives me some kind of curve illusion. I'm going to try it and see if it actually works, else it's going back. So yeah, this is kind of the look, the intention I had going for it, and I say I love it. I love this, that it's already done for me, so I don't have to worry about this, and I could move it up higher if I want. Oh, I think I like it up higher. But yeah. Oh, perfect. Oh. Okay, sweet. I like this. This is how I intended to play it. I love the detail at the back. I got this in a medium, oversized. I don't think I would go lower in size. Just kind of pair this like this with sneakers. This is the way I was going for this look, and I love it. I love how it fits. I love how it works. This is really lightweight. I love the pockets on here. And yeah, this one is a win. And yeah, that was it for Zara. Okay. I have a couple more Zara videos coming up, so please subscribe to the channel if you're interested. And yeah, I also have I have a couple more Zara styling videos coming up. I have an unboxing one to do. I think my package is gonna come tomorrow next. So next week you're gonna see the more Zara new in videos and Zara styling for fall videos coming up. So if you're interested, subscribe, support the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.